Hey everyone. Did you know that in the world of quantum physics, particles can exist in multiple states at once? Imagine if our little buddy, the frog, could jump not just through space, but through time. What if I told you we're going to attempt to make a frog jump 20 minutes into the future today? Sounds wild, right? Stick around. Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today, we're diving into an absolutely mind-bending viral challenge, making a frog jump 20 minutes into the future. This isn't just some silly stunt, it's all about quantum mechanics and how it can flip our understanding of time and space upside down. So, let's hop right in. Presentation of problem/challenge. Okay, so let's break this down. The challenge is simple, we want a frog to jump into the future. Now, how on earth can a frog do that? Well, we need to look at some wild ideas from quantum physics. You see, in the quantum world, things don't always behave the way we expect them to. For instance, particles can be in a state of superposition, which means they can be in multiple places at once. So, if we could somehow harness that principle, we might just get our frog to leap through time. But, of course, there are a ton of scientific hurdles to jump over. We have to think about how we can create the right conditions to make this happen. Can we manipulate the frog's environment, or even use some fancy technology? This challenge is definitely on the edge of science fiction and reality. Exploration/development. Now, let's dive deeper into the science behind this. Quantum mechanics is all about the strange behaviors of particles at the smallest scales. One of the key concepts is entanglement, where two particles become linked and the state of one instantly influences the other, no matter how far apart they are. Imagine if we could entangle our frog with a particle that's somehow connected to the future. It sounds crazy, but that's the beauty of quantum science. Then there's superposition, where particles can exist in multiple states at once. If we could somehow put our frog into a superposition of being in the present and the future, we might just have our time-traveling amphibian. Scientists have been playing with these concepts, but applying them to a living creature like a frog? Now that's where things get tricky. Climax/key moment. Alright, here's the moment we've all been waiting for. We've set up our experiment, and it's time for our frog to make its epic leap. Picture this, we've created a controlled environment where we've applied the principles of quantum mechanics. We give our frog a little nudge, and boom. It jumps. But not just into the air, it seems to vanish for a split second and reappear as if it's just jumped 20 minutes into the future. We've captured this on video, and it looks absolutely incredible. The implications of this leap are staggering. If we can bend the rules of time with something as simple as a frog, what does that mean for our understanding of physics and reality? Conclusion/summary. So, to wrap things up, we've explored this hilarious yet fascinating challenge of making a frog jump into the future. We've touched on some cool concepts from quantum mechanics like superposition and entanglement. It's been a wild ride, and it really shows just how fun and educational science can be. Who would have thought a frog could teach us so much about the universe? Call to action, CTA. Now, I want to hear from you. What did you think about our little time-traveling frog experiment? Do you have any crazy science challenges you'd like us to tackle next? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing science adventures. Until next time, keep questioning the universe, and maybe, just maybe, find your own way to jump into the future.